Ever wondered how to create a Gmail account? Today, you're in luck. Gmail, Google's free email service, is a powerful tool that not only lets you send and receive emails, but also gives you access to a suite of Google services, including Google Drive, Google Photos, and YouTube. With a Gmail account, you can stay connected, keep organized, and manage your digital life all in one place. So, are you ready to create your Gmail account? Let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and set course for the Gmail sign-up page. No need for a compass or a map, just type the following URL into the address bar. Hit enter, and voila, you've arrived at your destination. This is the starting point of your journey to creating a Gmail account. But don't worry, it's not a treacherous path. Just follow the steps and you'll be there in no time. Now that we are on the sign-up page, it's time to fill out the registration form. It's time to tell Google a bit about yourself. This is where you step onto the stage of the digital world, introducing yourself to your future email correspondents. Start by typing your first and last name into the respective fields. Simple enough, right? Now, for the fun part, choosing a username. This will be the face of your Gmail account, your digital calling card. It could be your name, a nickname, or something entirely unique. Remember, your username will also be your email address. If your desired username is already taken, don't worry. Gmail will suggest some alternatives. Now let's secure your account. Create a strong password, one that's a cocktail of letters, numbers, and symbols. This is your first line of defense in the digital world, so make it count. Confirm your password and voila, you're halfway there. With that done, Google will need a bit more information. Google may ask you for some additional information. This step is designed to enhance the security of your account and to help with account recovery. You might be prompted to enter your phone number. This is optional, so if you're not comfortable providing your phone number, feel free to skip this part. However, remember that providing a phone number can be a great help if you ever forget your password or need to verify your account. Next, you'll be asked to enter your birth date. Google uses this information to provide age-appropriate experiences and to ensure you're old enough to have an email account. Finally, Google asks for your gender. This information helps Google personalize its services for you. Don't worry, all of this information is kept confidential and is used in accordance with Google's privacy policy. Once you've given Google the necessary details, it's time to set up email and privacy preferences. Now, it's time to set up your email and privacy preferences. Privacy is a key aspect of any online account, and Google takes this very seriously. You'll be presented with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. It's highly recommended to take a moment to read through these, as they govern how your information is collected, stored, and used. Once you've read and understood these terms, click on the checkboxes to agree. Next, you have the option to choose whether or not you want to receive promotional emails from Google. These could include updates, product news, or special offers. If you'd rather not receive these, simply select the appropriate option. Remember, you can always change these settings later in your account preferences. With that, you've almost created your Gmail account. There's just one more step to go. To ensure you're not a robot, Google will ask you to complete a CAPTCHA. This could be entering the characters shown in an image or solving a simple puzzle, depending on the type of CAPTCHA Google presents. This process is crucial to maintain the security of the platform and to keep spam accounts at bay. After you've proved your humanity, Google might ask you to verify your account. This usually involves using your phone number. You have the option to receive a verification code either through a text message or a phone call. Once you receive this code, just enter it into the designated field. This extra step helps to further secure your account and is a great way to recover your account if you ever forget your password. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Gmail account. Take some time to explore and familiarize yourself with it.